shredded Chinese green onion salad, 凉拌大葱丝. Ta-da! First, let's shred the veggie. Be careful with the knife. We fold it so like a sheet, so we can cut it easily. Ice and water, soak it in ice water for 15 minutes or so. Then you drain it. Salt. Actually, I should add oil to coat the veggies so the salt won't draw out too much water. Sesame oil, 芝麻油. Stir evenly, 拌匀. White vinegar, 白醋. Finally, the chili powder. If you don't want to make it spicy, you can always change it to paprika or just pepper powder. You'll be fine. It's my first time post a video on YouTube, and so I'm a bit nervous. Hopefully I can do better next time. See ya.